Hi, I'm Mrs. Smith. Today we're going to talk about coordinate systems. This is a coordinate plane or a coordinate grid. We use it to mark exact locations. It's divided up into quadrants with an x-axis and a y-axis. The quadrants are numbered from 1 to 4. Quadrant 1 is made up of all positive coordinates. The other three, quadrants 2, 3, and 4, all have at least one negative coordinate. Where the x and y axes intersect is at 0, and it's called the origin, or the origin, we like to call it. And all the numbering goes from there, like this. You can see positive numbers on one side, negative numbers on the other side, positive numbers above, negative numbers below. An ordered pair will be written like this. It's two numbers in parentheses with a comma between them. This is also called a coordinate. The first number tells you how far over you're going to go on the x-axis. You will always go over first. The first number in an ordered pair is how far over you're going to go. And your second number tells you how far up or down you're going to go on the y-axis. This ordered pair is 3, 2. So that means we are going to start at the origin. We're going to start where the two axes intersect. We're going to go over 3 because our first number is 3. And then we're going to go up 2. And that's where we'll place our point. The location of 3, 2 is right here. It's an exact location on the coordinate grid. 3, 2, over first, and then up or down second. Our next coordinates are 7, 8. So we're going to mark that location, 7, 8. That means we're going to go over first, so over 7, and then up or down. In this case it's positive, so up 8. That's where we'll put our point, 7, 8. Let's try a negative number in our ordered pairs. Let's go with negative 6, 8. To find that location, we're going to go over negative 6, and then the 8 is still positive, so up 8. It would be right in quadrant 2, right there. Let's try another negative. How about both negatives? Negative 3, negative 2. That means we're going to go over first, always over first. Say it with me, always over first. So we're going to go over negative 3 and then down this time because it's a negative 2. So negative 3, negative 2. There you go. Now I'm going to switch it up a little bit. I'm going to give you the point. You tell me the ordered pair to get there. So here's the point. How far over is it? And then how far up is it? Now let's check your thinking. We went over 6 and then up 4. So it would be 6, 4. How about here? We went over negative 4 places and then we went up 2. So negative 4, 2. Let's keep following that point to another location. There you go. How about this one? This one's tricky. Think, how far over, how far up? How far over did we go? Nowhere. We didn't go over anywhere, so that's 0. We just went right up, so 4. 0, 4. In order for the panda to get to the food, he needs to go 4 units to the right And 2 units up, where would the bamboo be located? Here's a fun fact. Did you know that pandas can eat anywhere from 26 to 84 pounds of bamboo every day? Now back to where would that bamboo be located? If we go over 4 and up 2. Starting at the panda and going over 4 and up 2 puts you right here. At 8, 4. The x-coordinate would change by 4 and the y-coordinate would change by 2. I hope that helps you understand our coordinate system. Have a good day. I'll see you next time.